welcome back to my channel. And I am so sorry that I haven't posted in a month. I just realized that. So I'm doing the BloxBrug update on like the summer update. I forgot what it was, but it's the summer update, and I'm about to show you what it has and a little hacks they hid, maybe, I guess. So if you go to build mode, you're gonna have to go to new if some of you don't know this, and then they have like blank paper, lily pads, gas tanks, more lily pads, but it has a floral, bubbles, and a garden pearl. I don't know, a cattail, and garden shovel, hose, air pump, a kite, water balloons, skates. There's more winged kites, chalk. That's my favorite. That is my favorite because it's chalk. Then they have garden hose reel, right? Garden hose caddy, and wall mounted garden, and a butterfly kites, and glass beverage dispenser. Okay, so as you see, I literally almost bought every single thing. I haven't got the scooter, and I haven't got the slip and slide, I haven't got the other new bikes, and I haven't got this. What's it called? Yeah, a mobile. And yeah, so they actually have new animation. Why is the? I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. But I'm too short to even jump over a fence. Anyways, so they have new bike animations. This is not the new bike. This is the old one. See, you know how like your feet are off the pedals and stuff, and then like your hands are off of the handles. Well, look at this now. It's like the animations are so cute. I just love it. Then there's the kid bikes, like I think babies could ride it. Also teenagers and grown-ups can ride it. Look, it's so cute. Anyways, then there's kites. There's a rainbow. I got the rainbow kite. And everything is so cute. I can't like, I just love this. I just can't. So it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. I don't know, does the butterfly one go higher than the normal kite? Yeah, it does. Yeah, I think it does. Then here's water balloons, bubbles, and chalk. See? I'm gonna throw a water balloon at you guys. Watch out. I just love the animation. Bubbles. It's so cute. I just and chalk. What is this color? Like a green color. Let's draw right here. So if you use the same color crayon, chalk you already used on the ground, and like, you know what I'm trying to say. I didn't, hold up, what? I think it's because it's blending in. The color's actually blending in, so, oh, never mind, I see it. Hold up, maybe you can't see this. There's actually one of the hacks I really like. Well, it's not a hack, but it's a secret hidden thing. I really like out of all of them. What color did I get? It's like the same color. Yeah. Look what I drew, flowers. Okay, and, well, yeah, that's it, I guess, except, wait, let's use this real quick. Yeah. Wait, why am I walking like that? Ew. Roller skates and roller blades, I guess. Like, are these roller blades? Yeah, but these go slower than the roller skates. I just love them. And they like you make slip and slide. Then there's a gas tank. You fill up your car with it. And there's also something I really like. Why is there so much food on there? Anyways, so if you go to your sink, it's going to say take a water balloon. See? I love it. And then there's this. They added iced tea and lemonade. Dang, I forgot. No, in the stuff I showed you. See? Iced tea. This is going to be so much fun to use in BloxBrug roleplays. I don't do that. I'm going to just empty this. Yeah, this is going to, it's going to take a while. Okay, see? Fill. You could fill it. So if you go over here, then like, it's like the drinks are more expensive. So, yeah, I'm gonna, okay, so, yeah, some lemonade, and then, yeah, it's already night, anyways, so you can make your plants actually move. Some of them don't, but, you know, it's fine. So all you gotta do is go to, okay, so all you gotta do is go to options, go to your settings, go to options, scroll all the way down, go to advanced settings. You can turn these on to like this got to be on 5, but I turned mine on auto, on both of them on auto, because it's gonna skip for me. I turned everything else really high up, and if you look really close, your plants are moving. It's really cute, like, and your trees can move, and outside trees. As long as you keep those on, like any plants, not just on your plot, but outside of your plot can move. So, yeah, that's all I want to say, I guess. So as you all know, I did the house tour. Make sure you go check the creators' YouTube out. I changed this spot since it was really empty. I changed it to like where you could draw on it. Like it was like a board and you could draw on it. You know, I got yellow, yes. It is like, it looks like a pastel yellow if you really look at it closely. See? Anyways, bye guys, and I hope my athletic family stays all the way happy. Bye!